This video teaches you how to merge multiple Microsoft Word documents into a single document. In addition to merging separate documents, you can also merge multiple versions of a single document into one brand new file. Although combining documents may seem daunting at first, the steps are actually pretty easy, and you'll be combining files in no time. Open the Word document where you want to merge others. Click where you want to insert the next document. Go to Insert. Click Object and select Text from File. After this, select the document you want to add and click Insert. And that's it. Now you know how to merge Word documents easily. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.